Hey guys, it's Will. So while the data center market has been growing really fast, there's other companies that have been selling off. And today we traded APLD stock. We saw it up here around 66 on APLX, who is selling down, selling down, selling down. We saw this morning, we got in and out for a second and we said, hey, I'm actually going to wait and see what happens with this. And so we set the very bearish entry target at if APLD were to hit around 27.50, then we would enter. And it sold down all the way from about $30 recently, all the way down to 27.50 is where it's at now. So we are in on APLX. So let me kind of walk you guys through this trade and then we can kind of monitor it as well. So a couple things to watch. When you're looking at the trade in a data center company, there's a lot of volatility, so it's important to have risk management. But when we're looking at this trade here and kind of looking at this this sideways movement on APLX, this entry here, while it looks a little bit crazy and it's like, wow, it's really selling down, it might continue to drop more. It is possible, and you could be, not be getting a good entry here. What we've found is that this support level right here is a pretty strong support level. So we've seen them sell down into these levels before, and a lot of times this is kind of the level at which we've seen them bounce over on APLX. So you can kind of see the pretty hard support level. Now, buying at a support doesn't matter much. Buying at a resistance doesn't matter as much if broader market downtrends are there, if broader AI data centers are selling off. If you look at the NVIDIA earnings that just came out, then we definitely see a lot more volatility. They had growing revenues, not as much as people would have liked to see, but they were growing nevertheless. They had, obviously billions and billions of dollars in profit, but still people want to see even more. And so despite having okay earnings and beating expectations, they didn't beat expectations as much as people would have liked. So they sold down further. A lot of the broader AI market, the data center market, did sell down today. The only markets that were really green today, except for TSSI, that's been an excellent trade. And if that one doesn't hit $12 to $15 soon, I would be surprised, because they are configuring the data centers and their market cap is still very small despite really growing their revenue. But the only market that did well today was oil today. Oil and petroleum was up big time. And a lot of times you're going to see when oil cost, goes up, something like this, what does that mean? Well, we've known that just over the last few quarters, we've actually had not too bad of data come out in CPI and inflation and everything else. And so cost of goods possibly going up a little bit, and then tariffs also becoming a new conversation once again. Tariffs throughout the entire year, the last year, tariffs have been a huge conversation. And so now you have that being a conversation once again. And then broader markets seeing some pressure from that. So essentially, we might see the market sell down further. And, we're still looking at this. If you were to look at this from a most like YouTube trader perspective, people say like, don't buy in the downtrend. This thing is selling down. You're going to get wrecked if you buy in the downtrend. However, we just bought the 2x in the downtrend. And it's possible, look, it's possible it doesn't hold this level we got in here, and it doesn't hold around $45 on APLX, which would be about $27.50 over on APLD. It's possible it does not hold. And then it has this very strong downtrend continuing the trend all the way down into what would be about $24 a share for APLD and about $30 a share here for APLX. That's possible. See that sell down and it just continues. It's possible. You do see institutions selling, but what I'm anticipating is, despite the NVIDIA sell, despite the downward pressure, and despite a lot of the companies hyping up and saying, getting everything super nervous and saying, oh my gosh, AI is a bubble. If you just look at the margins, like from other companies, they're increasing. In the data center market, there was some reports recently, if you were to look at the reports we were following this week, that were worth double looking at. You're definitely not seeing every single company doing well, but APLD has seen a growth approach, And so we were watching, we even expected the sell down this morning. You could see Prophecy AI was anticipating they sell down to about 26.50. Okay, so that's pretty bearish on APLD. Currently, they are still above that at 27.50, but I think at one point they reached pretty close to that. And even into the next week, we're seeing some bearish momentum on Prophecy, potentially with APLD selling down into $25 a share. So once again, this entry that we got, that's just Grok though. If we look at the other models, it would be helpful to see all the models at once here. We could see the multi-model and get an idea. So you can see over the next month, almost every model is fairly bullish. ChatGPT not being too bullish, but Grok is, when considering all the data from the new builds in the data centers, when considering their technicals and their overall uptrend. Gemini is 5% bullish. Claude is about 6% bullish into the next month. And this is some of the top levels to watch in this stock is going to be around 26.50, which is kind of where they're hanging above right now. So once again, in this trade, could it be that it just sells down and this downtrend continues? Absolutely. But again, we don't buy only at support levels or only in a perfect technical setup. We also buy when fear is very high, when the stock's down 6%, 7%, 10%, and we see them sell down. APLD has sold down about 20%, and we see it down here. So I'm playing into the opposite of essentially what most people would do in this position. Most people would panic. And that's usually why their portfolio erodes over time and they don't see gains. These are the moments when I like to find opportunities, and while others are really scared, we actually get pretty excited. So we transmute fear in the market into excitement and excitement into fear. So that is the key for today. And again, once again, when it comes to this breakout, if we were to see this take place over on the APLX swing, potentially we're looking for about 15 to 20% margin for profit here, and pretty small investment, just around $7,500, I believe, in this position. So potentially looking for, around $1,000 to $2,000 profit, and even we'll see how long it takes the move and if it plays out. With stop loss, we'll have just below here this support level, somewhere around this $44 range, somewhere in here on APLX. So once again, keeping risk definitely around 2% to maybe 5%, but looking for that 20% margin for profit. So really going for a lot more profit than that of our risk, which is really important if you're trying to grow your account. Speaking of growing your account, we were just there at market open this morning in StockMate. If you ever want to tune on in, see my daily live trading sessions, it's going to be the second link in the description below. We also did a full breakdown of how to use this AI Prophecy. It's the first link in the description, so we covered it yesterday. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.